yeah, chicken shawarma, but he drowned it in that tahini sauce. I love tahini sauce, let me tell you. I could eat a lot of it, but this fucking guy put so much tahini sauce on my goddamn chicken shawarma. It was a fucking mess. Balance. That's like anything in life. It's all about balance. How could one ruin the most beautiful sandwich ever by putting too much most delicious sauce ever on it? Balance. Ladies, gentlemen, hello. Welcome to a vlog. One more for that ass. It's a Friday, and hot damn am I ready to skip, scap, and skadoodle. I'm over this whole enchilada. It's been a long week. It's been a super short week, but it's also been a long week. I've only worked for like 2 days this week. Well, 3 days. But it feels like it's been a freaking month. But that's the way it always is after a vacation, because I was in Mexico for a week, and goddamn, that took me out of my fucking element. Sure did. And right now I'm cruising on these beautiful cobblestone streets. I don't mind it. I don't think I'm abusing my bike too much. You know? Even though it does look pretty gnarly. Look at this shit. This person is like backing up the street. It don't matter. You know? What is he doing? Nobody knows. Nobody really knows. And it's okay. My ass is hanging out. And it's cold because it's like 40 some degrees right now. We're not even 40 on the dot. Son of a bitch. Son of a potato bread. Somebody's smoking some fucking weed. Smells like the weeds over there. Can't blame them. It's that kind of day. So I'm gonna go local, because that's what I feel like doing. Look at that dope ass color for that Mercedes van. Big fan. Alright, I'm gonna go to the right. I was gonna go look at that super fancy mansion over there, but I've showed it to you guys before. To the left over there, it's pretty nice. Cobblestones. So yeah, now I'm on my way to, what do you call it? Not home just yet. I'm on my way to hang out with my fam for a couple minutes. Just gonna stop by and say hello. Nothing too major, no tasks, just literally a couple of seconds, a little visitation. Son of a potato bread. God damn. Didn't make this light, but it's okay. It's alright. BQE traffic seems pretty light, so that's kind of cool. It's alright. Look at those cops talking to each other. Wow. Who knew? Who knew that they talk to each other like they're normal people? Luckily both of them are parked in a fucking bike lane. Haha, what a bunch of patooies. Whatever. It's all good. So yeah, another week down. I had oh, look at this huge building coming up. That's kind of cool. But I had a delicious chicken shawarma for lunch, and it was really good. Chicken shawarma is some of my favorite. I love the little sourness that you got it, bro. I love the little sourness that comes with the chicken shawarma situation. Yo. I knew that guy only by his bike. That's so funny how people know each other in New York City by the way their bike looks. That Aprilia parks next to me often where I work. Come on, pickup van, you son of a breadbasket. all good. All good. I do want to get around this fucker. I just might. I could, but I don't have to. He was moving kind of fast for a van. This fucking guy right here. This fucking guy. So yeah, chicken shawarma, but he drowned it in that tahini sauce. I love tahini sauce. Let me tell you, I could eat a lot of it, but this fucking guy put so much tahini sauce on my goddamn chicken shawarma. It was a fucking mess. Balance. That's like anything in life. It's all about balance. How could one ruin the most beautiful sandwich ever by putting too much most delicious sauce ever on it? Balance. And yeah, balance is so important. And these motherfuckers are going slow. Sons of bitches. So the last 2 vlogs I started, for whatever reason, the GoPro batteries were half or 3/4 dead. So I literally, this is my 3rd vlog that I'm starting, that hopefully I can finish. And I keep talking about like my trip to freaking Mexico and this and that, and can't seem to you know, that's a cop, and I was doing bad things. Fuck it. 50 miles per hour, no hands. Skills. And here we go. Let me take a left, yo. Make this green, y'all. Come on. Don't funk with me. Yes. And there we are. We're just sort of pull up nice and easy to the spot. I don't think anybody would be too upset. You know? Just like that. Woohoo! So yeah, all-inclusive Cancun. I don't know what to say. It was really fun. It was a good time. It was just a week of laying around. Did I already tell you this? I don't know. I'm not really sure. I don't know what's going on. But I do want to mention something. Somebody recently left me the most awesome comment ever, and I really, really appreciate it. This person, I wish I remembered. I did try to remember the person's name, but I forgot it at the moment right now. But basically, this person said that the reason why he likes watching my... Look at these people. The reason why he likes watching my vlogs is because it shows a bond between a man and his motorcycle. And the fact that the way that I talk about my motorcycle, it's obvious how much I love it. And honestly, I wrote that down right away, and I actually put it in my Instagram as my under my profile, because it's fucking true. That's the fact. That's literally exactly, that person summed it up perfect. This vlog is about the bond between the man and his machine, and about my love for this motorcycle. Because it's I don't really try to make it like personal about me. So obviously this is not like this is not like Casey Neistat kind of thing. Look at these fucking people. You know, this is more of a yeah. But so, oh, look at these buildings. Wow. So yeah, so it's less about me as a person and more about me as a motorcycle lover. and me more of as a person who's impatient. Fucking move, you stupid motherfuckers. Good bejesus, good Christ in heaven. Those people are just content going the speed limit. Fuck you and your speed limit. Look at this bridge. It's beautiful. When the sun comes out, will to live comes back. So anywho, yeah, I love my motorcycle. And the best part is that that person took their time to sit down and they felt the need to share that feeling with me and to tell me what they think about my vlog. And that's the most important part. It's not even the fact that they fucking gave me a compliment and it feels good. It's the fact that they thought it out and shared it, because they knew that would make me feel good, you know? It's truly incredible. It's truly, truly special. And now we're truly, truly stuck for no truly, truly good reason. But we'll pull up a little bit, as much as we can, before we get stuck again. These fucking terrible streets. I shouldn't be doing this. This is bad news bear. Bad news bear country. There you go. This fucking guy squeezed me in. Fuck you. It's all good. No stress. Oh, look, I can see my reflection. Hello, reflection. How's it going? So anyway, yeah. So that was really cool. That was much appreciated. I love it. And, yeah, look at this shit. Come on, let's make this light. Look at these buildings left and right. They're just starting. Fucking hell. You fucking dick. Oh my god. Fucking move. You got room? Fucking dick. Fucking dick. Yeah. Slow ass people. And, you know, compassion. Compassion is important. So right now I should have a freaking compassion for this shitty truck driver. You know? Because he clearly is struggling to drive a car, to drive a truck. And look at here, they started building this building over here. Awesome. Anywho, guys, I will talk to you later. The end kind of fell apart on me. I had a really strong message going in the beginning, but then it all fell apart. Anyway, talk to you soon. Bye.